Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a YouTube video script. You know the importance of having a video script if you're a YouTuber. It helps you organize your thoughts and tell an engaging story. It also allows you to speak clearly, avoiding common mistakes we all make when speaking. Messing up a word, saying too many times, forgetting what you wanted to say altogether. Now, what I show you in the screen is the YouTuber that I follow. A script is a document that describes what will happen in your video. It includes details about the characters, plot, action, and setting. From a text perspective, your script is also an outline of what you want to say. It's perfect enough to read while filming but loose enough to allow your ad-libbing and vocal experimentation. So how to start writing a YouTube script? When writing script, it's essential to focus on your audience. You're using the document to craft a video they'll enjoy, so the script should speak directly to your viewers. You need 3 details to complete the task: who your audience is, the main idea of your video, and the voice you want to use. Start with a video title or main idea. The first step is simple but worth mentioning. You need a video title or idea before sitting down to write. This helps you to stay on topic, grab viewers' attention, and provide the information they crave. Identify your target audience. It also helps you know how your viewers are before writing a script. This detail is usually related to your YouTube niche. Are you making videos for teen gamers, college students, study abroad, single dads who seek parenting advice? Next is know your channel's voice. Every YouTube creator has a voice. Maybe you're the jester who cracks jokes and make people laugh. Or perhaps you're the adventurer who takes people on a journey with action-packed scenes. So, to create a YouTube script outline, now that you know your video's topic, voice, and target audience, you can start outlining a script. First is video hook or intro, then next is main content and research, and next is CTA or call to action, then last is the YouTube and screen elements. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!